Welcome back, everyone. So doing a little bit of maintenance on the wife's car, which is a 2016 plate Smart for 4 Night Sky edition. We're giving the roof a bit of a clean. So to be doing that, I'm going to be using Auto Finesse's Rag Top. Comes 2 bottles. One is the cleaner, and then one is the protection that we spray on afterwards. I use Auto Finesse. Pretty much all the products I use on my car. Both cars are Auto Finesse. I love their products. It's a UK based company. It's just down the road for me as well, which is even better, keeping things local. Quality of the products is amazing, and the cost as well. It's really good value for money. So we'll give it a quick go, and we'll see how we get on. So you can see with the roof and where we live, unfortunately, it suffers heavily with sort of sand and hard water and road filth and airborne contamination. The roof hasn't been done for a while, so it's starting to, it's a little bit green. The wife does park it underneath under sort of trees quite a bit. I apologise for advance in regards to the background noise. I live in a really nice little cul-de-sac where all the kids and that come out. It just so happens everyone's coming out at the same time, but we'll get through this and it'll be fine. Main thing with soft tops is do not ever use a pressure washer on them, because you'll end up with lines. So you want to be nice and gentle as much as you can. So the main thing I want to do is just wash this down and then hit it with a little bit of Auto Finesse cleaner and an Auto Finesse soft brush. So we'll give it a go. I've lightly just wet the car with the hose. I'm going to spray the product on and use the soft hog's hair brush from Auto Finesse just to work the product into the fabric roof. So I'm just going to give it a quick rinse off and see how it's got on. So even with a very small amount of effort, you could see in the excuse me, the soap when it was coming off that it had turned sort of a greeny brown colour. And looking on here, there's no dirt or sort of green algae on there anymore. What I'll do is I'll wash the rest of the car, let this dry, and then we'll see how it's doing, and then we'll come back with it and I'll whack the Protect on afterwards. So I'll let the roof dry. It looks wet. It's only because what I've done is just give it a quick one quick spray with the, oh, I don't even get this to focus, Rag Top Protector. So what it does say on the back is to do 2 to 3 light coats, and then let it cure for 2 to 3 hours. So I've done one little light spray. I'll give it another quick little spray now, and then I'll leave it to dry for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so I'll give it another light spray. What I'll do, I'll let it dry for 2 to 3 hours, and that'll be it. It doesn't say you need to brush it in, but I found just to use the soft brush again, just to sort of spread the product around so you get a nice even layer. I'll say with the product itself, it's very easy to use. It's not expensive at all. I brought the Rag Top Cleaner and Protect and the soft brush in a kit from Auto Finesse. They were doing deals on their website. They tend to do quite a lot of deals most months, so it is good to look on their website to see any deals. I will post a link to the products in the description. Obviously, if this video is helpful anyway, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot of other stuff coming up on the Mercedes, on the smart car. So yeah, keep watching, and we'll see what comes up next.